There is a big trend in modern hand embroidery to leave your embroidery in the hoop, which is great because you don't actually have to think too much about how you're going to present the work. It's already presented, and the hoop keeps the tension that you've been using throughout the project. So it is a good idea, but you might be getting a little bit bored of how it looks just a plain hoop. So today I'm going to try and cover my plain hoop with this washi tape. That's how you call it. I wanted black, so I've got a black one, but as you can see when I open it, it is quite pale, so I'm not sure if it's going to give me the effect I want, but we're going to give it a go. Oops, it's not super sticky, so if you do make a mistake you can undo it. Ooh, okay, I wonder how I'm going to do this. I need to sort of I'm just going to take the first bit off because that's not sticky at all. Try that again. I'm going to start at an angle. Really try and press it down. Hopefully one roll will be enough because that's the only black I have. I did get one pack and it's come with some really nice pretty colours which I think could go really nice for various projects, but for this one I have in mind I did want black. Something else you could do is paint it. These are little wooden frames, would easily take the paint. I am going to try that at some point, but I did think this might be quite easy and give quite a nice finish. Getting into my groove now. Does seem to be sticking pretty well now. At the start I was worried it wasn't going to be sticky enough, but it is hopefully just about sticky enough. It's looking a little bit grey, but I think that's okay. I was worried it might look slightly purple. Oh, it is quite delicate, so obviously you've just ripped it there, being a little bit rough. I don't think it'll be noticeable if I just carry on with the join. The black is going to be quite forgiving. Don't know about the paler colours. Just must be a little bit more careful. Don't know my own strength. Coming up to halfway. Oh, and I think, I'm not sure whether I've used more than half my tape. Difficult not to go over too much. Got to definitely go over the last one a little bit because you don't want any gaps in the tape, but at the same time you don't want to use too much. There's a bit of a crease there, which I didn't do. Unless I did it on my hands. Looking. It's actually this bit of the frame that's going to be seen the most. So actually the other side and here, it's not a concern if there is the odd little bump or join of the tape. Yeah, I'm definitely not going to have enough tape. But I am very pleased with the effect. It is looking like a solid colour even though the tape is quite thin. And I think it would be a lot cleaner than trying to paint it. Speed it up a little bit, but when I go too fast then I start pulling the tape too much. This is a big 30cm hoop. So I think with small hoops you wouldn't have a problem with just one roll of tape. I'm going to be so annoyed if we just have like 1 or 2 centimeters left at the end. And there we go. You get the idea. So I'm going to have to get some more tape, just check I haven't got brown. Black? No. I think I've got another black. Yay! Yes. Got some really nice colours, as you can see. Kind of muted tones, which is what I want. But I imagine you can get some brighter ones as well. Right, I'm going to just take this off on the top so the join won't be seen. And just take this bit off because it wasn't very sticky. And let's carry on, yay! This is good. And with this second roll of tape, I can probably do a smaller mini hoop as well if I want another black one. The tape you use will be very project specific. I wanted a really crisp edge to the embroidery I've just done, which I will show you in a minute. So I wanted a black outline. It will hopefully enhance the embroidery. But there will definitely be occasions where you just want a pretty colour, or you want to pick out one of the nice colours that you've used in your embroidery. I should have checked. I had 2 rolls of black beforehand, but did think 1 would be enough. And I think as I've gone on, I am using a bit less. I think to start with I was overlapping it probably a bit too much. there we have a covered hoop. So I'm going to hoop up and show you how it looks. That took about 20 minutes. So that's not too bad, and it is ready to hoop. Whereas if you had painted it, you would obviously have to leave it to dry, maybe give it a second coat. So I'm very pleased with that. Let's have a look at it with a finished piece in.